What's up everyone? Scott from villagesvideo.com. Today we're going to be looking all the way to the east of Hawkins, east of St. Catherine area. They're pushing down the turnpike, so the turnpike kind of runs from the northwest, coming off of I-75 by Wildwood, to the southeast where it comes down to Orlando and then shoots more south. They're going along the turnpike on the northern side of that turnpike, and it's going all the way out to the east. The Villages actually just announced they're going for a area that's close to Leesburg. It's going to be a new area which I'll be doing a video on soon. So they're trying to get it approved for apartments and things like that. That'll be interesting because they want to have workers and employees of the Villages in a closer area that they can move easily into the Villages area. I'll be doing a video on that pretty soon. I'll go out there and show you where that's going to be and all that stuff. But the area we're doing today, like I said, is to the east of the Hawkins area. It's a water treatment plant. You'll be able to see what they're doing out there. There's not a whole lot of building going on because they're still working in St. Catherine and doing a lot of things over there. But by that water treatment plant, you can see they're starting to work out there also. So let's check that out. If you haven't already, go to the Facebook page right here and check that out, and we'll see you in the video. Okay, so the turnpike is on the right hand side. We are currently going east. You can see the water treatment plant right in front of us. Big pool of water, and you can see all the development that's going on out to the east of this area. So they are doing some roads in this area, kind of playing around with the dirt, pushing it around. You can kind of see the outline of some areas that they're looking at and going to be putting in. They also have those trees right below us, and then up in front toward the right where we're turning right now, they have a group of trees that is going to be staying also the way they have it marked out. This is kind of an interesting area because this is headed toward the Leesburg exit. So pretty soon they'll actually be at that first Leesburg exit if you're headed toward the Miami area or Orlando area, I suppose, on the turnpike. But you see this whole area is under development. It's pretty interesting how they have the water treatment plant inside. I'm wondering if they're going to actually leave that or if they're going to tear that whole thing down. They also have a electric grid over there. Once we turn around, you'll see that also. But you can see this little swampy outline and some trees that they haven't touched yet. There's the electric power plant that we just spun around. There you see the water treatment again. And then we'll take a look at this little electric grid. I'm sure they're going to be adding to this. I couldn't get too close really because it screws up with the drone signal, but you can see quite a bit of it even from here. Little retention pond on the other side. That's about it for this area. Up in front you can see Hawkins in the distance there, and you can also see St. Catherine. To the north we have Chitty Chatty, which would be northwest of us right now, just a little bit right over those trees. And then you can see St. Catherine and the Hawkins area up ahead also. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that jazz with the channel. I really like doing these videos for you. It helps me out a lot. If you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see, and enjoy the rest of the video.